Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S10e for AT&T Prepaid. So y'all know that the Galaxy S10e is a very older device. It's 2 years old now, and now AT&T Prepaid has it certified pre-owned. So if you guys are looking to get like an older Galaxy phone, the Galaxy S10e is worth checking out here. It's available now for $199.99, 128 gigabytes of storage. It's available in Prism Black there. So this is the so this was Samsung's budget Galaxy S device right here back in 2019. This phone came out in 2019, I believe it was. So yeah. So there's the Galaxy S10e right there. It does have a flat screen, so to keep that in mind. You guys have your hole punch there for your front facing camera there. Power button on the right side of the phone there. You do have your volume keys and Bixby button on the left side. So yeah. So yeah. Says here, experience the next generation of Galaxy with the Samsung Galaxy S10e with an intelligent battery and a pro-like camera with upgradable camera features, wireless power share, and a large immersive infinity display. You won't miss a beat. So like I said, this is a AT&T certified pre-owned device, so to keep that in mind. So if you guys want to read that what's entailed with the certified pre-owned device from AT&T, y'all guys can check the link below or pause the video to read that there. Alright, here are some more pictures on the Galaxy S10e. Y'all guys have a dual camera setup on the rear along with your camera flash. It has like the Galaxy S8 camera set up there. So you do have your Samsung logo, and you'll have Galaxy S10e branding on the back. Left side has your volume keys and your Bixby button. Right side has your power button, and that's also your fingerprint sensor as well. There's the phone there. The specs on this phone now in 2022, it's still capable of doing stuff in 2022. Like I said, this phone came out in 2019, so this phone is 3 years old at this point. It's still getting updates, and I think Android 12 it will be its last update. So yeah, like I said, it is an AT&T certified pre-owned device. Cinematic infinity display, pro-like camera with upgradable features, intelligent battery. Dimensions on the Galaxy S10e: 5.6 inches height, 2.75 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. So this is like a compact smartphone there, it's kind of compact a little bit there. The Galaxy S10e weighs 5.29 ounces, so not too bad. Display is a 5.8 inch display, dynamic AMOLED infinity display with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 on the front. So it has the same screen size as the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S9 smartphones. It's a Full HD resolution, 1080 by 2280 pixel resolution, 16 million colors. You get 2 cameras on the rear, 12 megapixel wide super speed dual pixel. Then you get 12 megapixel. Then you get 16 megapixel ultra wide camera with 123 degrees field of view, dual aperture mode with f1.5 and f2.4 apertures, dual epic shot camera with scene optimizer, 10 megapixel front facing camera. It says Ultra HD, so I think you can record in 4K on the front facing camera. It says UHD, so that means it's 4K. Shooting modes, the shooting options, you have AR emoji, which that might still be a thing in the Galaxy phones now. I'm not really sure about that. You have food, hyperlapse, live focus, panorama photo, pro, slow motion, super slow mo, and video. Battery is a 3100 mAh battery. The battery is not removable. So the battery is a bit small. But like I said, this was Samsung's budget Galaxy S device in 2019 this phone came out. So the battery is a bit small in today's standards. Back then, 3100 milliamps was decent, but now in 2022, 3100 mAh battery, that is laughable in today's standards. So yeah, you get 31 hours of talk time, 79 point. Alright, I think it's 79.28 hours of standby time. Audio playback is 42 hours on the speaker, 90 hours on the headset. Wireless charging, of course. Fast charging capable up to 32 minutes to 50% and 90 minutes to 100%. It has a Snapdragon 855 processor, which was the flagship processor from 2019. So the Galaxy S10e was a flagship phone when it came out, but like I said, it was Samsung's budget-esque Galaxy S device. So yeah, Snapdragon 855, still pretty decent processor in today's standards. Is an octa-core processor. Memory is 128 gigabytes, so not bad. You do have expandable memory. You do have expandable memory up to 512 gigabytes. Micro SD. You have two storage options, but they're only showing the 128 gigabyte version here. You'll get 6 gigabytes of RAM for 128 gigs, 8 gigabytes of RAM for 256 gigabytes. It does have Android 12 with One UI 4.1 or something like that, 4.8, 4.1 or whatever. So Android 12 is the latest and greatest right now in terms of like stable release. Android 13 is in beta right now. It won't get Android 13 unless you like root the phone or whatever. But Android 12 is its last update, so to keep that in mind. Wireless technology, you get 5G, of course. According to this, you do get 5G. So you do get 5G evolution. So it's kind of like their I don't know, fake 5G or whatever the fuck it is. You do get 4G LTE, 4G, 3G, GSM. It's a quad band HC voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call. Wi-Fi connectivity is 8 to 11, ABGN, AC, IRNAX, dual band Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, low energy, up to 10 devices on mobile hotspot, no suppression, wireless emergency alerts, and nano SIM card. That's what it takes, a nano SIM card, which is pretty much standard now. It's been standard for like the last several years now, a nano SIM card is. You do get some preloaded apps from AT&T here. You get AT&T Call Protect, AT&T Device Help, AT&T Drive Mode, Mobile Security, Protect, Security Family, Setup and Transfer, Smart Wi-Fi, Watch TV. Those are all the AT&T branded apps there. Also, you get Bleacher Report Live, CNN, DC Universe, DirecTV Now, which is not even a fucking thing anymore. DirecTV Remote, which is not a thing anymore. Game of Thrones, Conquest, Great Big Story, HBO Go, which isn't a thing anymore. Mobile Security, Mobile Service Manager, NCAA March Madness Live. So some of these apps are no longer available, like the DirecTV Now app that's no longer available. It's DirecTV Stream now. You also have the HBO Go app, which is not available anymore. It is HBO Max now. So some of these apps are outdated and don't exist anymore. So yeah, you also get Samsung apps on here, like Galaxy Wearable, Samsung Health, Samsung Calculator, Samsung Members, which is Samsung Plus or whatever, Samsung Notes, Samsung Pay, Samsung Smart Switch, Smart Things from Samsung. Additional apps on the phone include Amazon Shopping, Facebook, Google Drive, Google Duo, Google Maps, Google Play, Google Photos, Google Play Movies and TV, which is now called Google TV now. That is outdated and no longer exists. You have Google Play Music, which is now YouTube Music, Google Play Store, Google Search, Spotify, YouTube. So some of these apps have been replaced. So to keep that in mind, like I said, this is a 3-year-old device. So yeah, you do get my AT&T, which provides fast, easy account access virtually anywhere, anytime. It has a Samsung web browser and Google Chrome on board as your browsers, sensors, a solid number, ambient light, parameter JavaScript, digital messaging and email. Music says Google Play Music here, but it's YouTube Music now. Accessibility settings there, sustainability and all that. What's in the box? Let's see what's in the box here, because this is a certified pre-owned device. You do get a charging block, USB-C cable, and your SIM card. So nothing special in the box there. So yeah, guys, there you guys have it. AT&T Prepaid now has the Galaxy S10e. This is a certified pre-owned phone here, so to keep that in mind. It's available now for $199.99. This phone is 3 years old. It has Android 12 on it, which is its last update for OS update. So if you guys want to take a chance on the older Galaxy phone, the Galaxy S10e is worth checking out here. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.